If you want to speak English fluently in 30 days, this video will change your life. Hey, Emma. Good morning. How's your day starting?
Morning, Alex. It's starting slow, very slow. I feel like I need 3 more hours of sleep.
Same here. I woke up, looked at my alarm, and said, nope, I'm not ready for real life yet.
Oh, I know that feeling. You press snooze, then snooze again, then suddenly it's 20 minutes later.
Exactly. But hey, since we're talking about sleep, today's topic is actually perfect.
Yes, today we're talking about learning English while sleeping.
A dream topic. Literally.
So, Alex, be honest. Have you ever tried learning something while you sleep?
When I was a teenager, I tried putting my history notes under my pillow. I thought knowledge would just magically jump into my brain.
Oh my gosh, yes. I used to think the same. I put my math book under my pillow. Spoiler, it did not work.
If only life was that easy.
Right? But actually, learning English while sleeping can help if you do it in the right way.
Absolutely. And we'll talk about that today, how it works, what to listen to, and what you should not expect.
So, Alex, let me ask you, do you usually sleep with some sound on?
Actually, yes. I like falling asleep to soft music or rain sounds. Like that gentle rain noise. It helps me relax.
Oh, I love rain sounds. They make me feel cozy, like I'm in a warm cabin.
Yes, exactly. And I guess this is why listening to English while sleeping can feel so natural. It's just like listening to calm sounds.
True. But don't worry, guys. We're not telling you to listen to loud English lessons all night. We don't want you dreaming of grammar rules chasing you.
Imagine, run, the verbs are coming.
That would be a nightmare. So here's the simple idea. When we sleep, our brain still hears things. It doesn't turn off completely.
Right. And during light sleep, like when you just fall asleep or right before waking up, your brain is more open to simple sounds.
Exactly. So simple English words, short sentences, easy vocabulary, these things can enter your memory slowly over time.
And I want to say something important. You will not wake up speaking perfect English after one night.
Yes, please don't expect magic. This is not Harry Potter school.
But it does help with listening skills, pronunciation rhythm, and word memory.
That's the key. It supports your learning. It doesn't replace studying, but it adds extra practice during sleep. You know, Alex, my cousin actually learned a lot of English from sleeping with English podcasts.
Really? That's cool. How old is she?
She's 17. She lives in Brazil. She told me she plays slow English stories every night. Not too loud, just soft.
Does it help her?
Yes. Before she started, she struggled with basic listening. Now, she understands English movies without subtitles. She says the bedtime listening helped her ears get used to English.
That makes sense. Our brains like patterns. If you hear English again and again, even while half asleep, you start to recognize it faster.
Exactly. Repetition builds confidence.
So what kinds of things should people listen to?
Something calm. Something simple. Nothing too fast or stressful.
Yeah, maybe not an action movie.
Please don't fall asleep to people shouting, "Run! The monster is coming!"
Your dreams will not be peaceful.
Here are some good choices. Slow English stories, soft English conversations, vocabulary with examples, positive affirmations, gentle English podcasts, repetition lessons with simple phrases.
And the volume should be low, like whisper level.
Yes, like someone gently talking in another room.
Let's pretend we're creating a mini sleep learning moment.
Okay, let's do it. Something simple.
I am calm. I am learning English. I understand more every day.
I am improving my English. I enjoy learning. I relax and listen.
See? Simple, peaceful, slow. That's perfect for sleep learning.
Yeah, your brain doesn't need difficult grammar at 2 a.m.
You know, Emma, learning English while sleeping isn't just about words. It also helps your mind feel more confident.
Yes, positive feelings matter so much.
If you fall asleep hearing calm English, you wake up feeling like English is friendly, not scary.
A lot of learners feel shy or nervous, but when English becomes part of your night routine, it starts to feel natural, like brushing your teeth or drinking water.
That's true. No pressure, no tests, no fear.
Just listening, just relaxing.
Should we give them some simple tips?
Yes, let's do a quick list. Here are easy tips to learn English while sleeping. 1. Choose slow, simple English. 2. Keep the volume low. 3. Use a long audio, 1 to 3 hours. 4. Put your phone away from your head. 5. Don't think too much. Just relax.
6. Repeat every night if possible. 7. Use the same playlist for a few days. 8. Don't expect fast results. 9. Use sleep mode so your phone turns off automatically. 10. Combine this with daytime practice.
Exactly. Daytime learning plus nighttime listening equals strong improvement.
Can I tell you something funny?
Oh, yes, please.
Last year, I tried learning Spanish while sleeping. I played a Spanish podcast every night.
Okay. And?
After 2 weeks, guess what?
You became fluent?
No! But I started dreaming in Spanish words. I didn't know what they meant, but I heard them in my dream.
That's adorable. Like your brain was trying so hard.
Yeah, it was like amigo, biblioteca, tortilla. And I was like, what is happening?
Dreaming in another language is actually a great sign. So guys, here is the big idea. Learning English while sleeping is extra support, not a miracle.
Yes. Think of it like watering a plant at night. The real growth still happens with sunlight, your daytime practice.
Beautiful metaphor, Alex.
Thank you. I'm poetic like that.
But truly, if you listen to English every night, even for 20, 30 minutes, your ears will slowly grow stronger.
You'll understand conversation rhythm, pronunciation, everyday phrases.
And you'll feel more relaxed around English. Before we end, I want to say something to our listeners. Learning a language is not a race. It's a journey.
Yes, a long and beautiful one. Some days you learn fast, some days you feel stuck. But every little step, every word you hear, even while sleeping, helps you grow.
So don't worry, don't stress. Just keep English in your life. Speak it, listen to it, dream in it.
And maybe, tonight, put on a soft English story and let it guide you into sleep.
Good idea. All right, everyone. Thanks for being with us today.
Sleep well, learn well, and remember,
You are improving every single day.
subscribe if you want to speak English confidently without fear.